So this is a procedure for creating an agent account. The first step is that you must have a client account. So you create a client account first. Once you create a client account, you come to your top right corner of your account. You click upgrade to agents. The first step obviously is fill in your settlement account. Settlement account is any account that actually holds fiat. So you put your maybe bank account, mobile money, or whichever account that holds fiat in your country. And then the second step is purchase Onyx Cash. And so we have a gateway here called Coin Payment. Now, Coin Payment is a gateway that allows you to purchase goods or services using either Bitcoin or Ethereum or any other cryptocurrency like Litecoin. So we click that, and then obviously you can see here you are taken to a checkout. So at this juncture now, I need to choose the crypto I want to work with, either BTC or Litecoin, Ethereum or Monero. So first thing is that you need to actually put in your name here. Once you put in your name, the email obviously is populated here because it is picked out from your account. Then you choose the currency you want to go with. In this case, I choose Bitcoin here, and then you complete checkout. At this stage, when you're paying, you can see now there's a QR code here. If you have a wallet that has a QR code reader, so you can just scan this and send. Or you can actually copy this address and send 0.097 BTC. So the easiest way of doing this is actually scanning this using your wallet and then sending the amount. Now, for becoming an agent, you need $800 to be able to become an agent. Once you pay $800 and the transaction goes through, the admin will actually approve you, and at that point you are now an agent. So becoming an agent, you need $800. You can pay using Bitcoin, using Ethereum, using Litecoin, using Monero. And once you pay, the approval will be made by the admin, and at that point now you are an agent. Now, alternatively, most of our offices across Africa have people who are actually able to help you do this process. Assuming you didn't have Bitcoin, what happens? You can visit any of our offices. The person in that office will actually do the process for you, and you just hand over the fiat to him. So you hand over $800 equivalent in your local currency. The person is able to do this process for you. Once the payment is received, upgrade is approved, and at that point now you're an agent. Thank you for watching.